Good morning and welcome to the VW Nut Garage. Today we're doing something a little bit different today. Today we've got a big snowstorm here today. It's been snowing about an hour. We've got a little break right now, so I figured we'd walk out before it started. I don't know, there's maybe an inch or so right now. Oh, Patina loves this kind. So it's morning, early morning, before 9 o'clock. It's supposed to snow all day right through till tomorrow morning. Start by taking a good look here at this here parts storage bus. I like to call her prom queen, just because of the way she looks. So this is the start. This is what it looks like at the beginning of the storm, just a little dusting. We'll come back out here later today and we'll see what she looks like. Alright guys, let's go for a ride. Alright, so you guys are looking at the windshield. It's gonna defrost. I'm gonna help it, and we're gonna go for a drive. Hang in there. Alright guys, so here we go. It's coming down pretty good now. Patina's here. You guys are right there. And lights are on, seatbelts are on, dog is strapped in. Here we go. You can see the flags. I don't know if you can see the flags, but it's really blowing. Driving conditions, not bad at all. It's hard to tell. I don't know if anybody's ever driven one of these little Honda CR-Vs, but you put 4 snow tires on them and they just love this weather. Economical, cheap for parts, reliable, good 4-wheel drive. well back home safely. Alright, so you guys ready? I'm gonna open the door. That's what 2 to 3 inches an hour looks like. Look at the door. Here's my hand. It's snow to here. Unbelievable. So Patina came to me and told me that she needs to go out and use the facilities. So, there you go. I think maybe she might change her mind. We'll see, but I'm taking this as an opportunity to get on the tractor and see if I can't get her stuck. So you guys watch, and I'll go get the tractor. I gotta show you guys. That's as far as the tractor made it, but it is unbelievable out here. Let me show you if I open my garage door. And it's still the middle of the day. It's only 1 o'clock. This is supposed to go all night, but watch this. It's a baby gate for Patina now. Look at that. Patina. It's as tall as Patina is. Alright, well, it's been a couple hours and it's time for Patina to go outside again. Also, if you guys remember, I had some pine trees over here that were leaning pretty good. I'm not sure which direction they fell, but they fell some direction. That's just the back door since the last time we went out. That's about an hour. Let's go see about these pine trees. Come on, Patina. Oh, it's deep. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's deep. Come on. Come on, Fababe. Come on, Patina. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Maybe the wind just stood him back up. Maybe. Come on. Patina's had enough. Come on. I think they stood back up. I don't know. I don't see nothing look like it blowed down though. Weird. Patina quit. I'm not far behind her. Come, Queen. Here's the drift at the garage door. Now, an hour later than last time. Patina, come here. Come here. Right here. Patina, right here. Patina. Patina. Come here. Let me see right here. Right here, what is this? That's how tall it is. Taller than Patina. What's up, guys? It's the day after the big storm. My wife said that New Hampshire did a great job cleaning the roads, but Massachusetts has had a ton of problems, so she said go out and get some footage. So let's go get some footage. Alright, so you can very clearly see where the border is. New Hampshire, New Hampshire, New Hampshire, New Hampshire, New Hampshire, Massachusetts. Holy. Oh, this is crazy. Why wouldn't they take care of this? That's one way to get rid of all this snow. Alright guys, let's go take a look out the backyard. Holy cow, the snow, but the snow. I think we can almost walk on top of it. Almost. I see the trees went back to leaning. Dang it, I thought they were fixed. Alright guys, that'll conclude this, almost conclude. Let me get you out here where we can take a look at Prom Queen. Anyway, it was at least a foot of snow in one day. So, thanks again for hanging out at the VW Nut Garage.